Hey ladybugs, so today we're doing so many fun DIY projects, starting with doing my balcony. I have had this stuff for my balcony probably since March, and it's July and I'm just now setting it up, but we finally have consistent good weather, so today was the perfect day. And shout out to my two friends in the video helping me out. They are gems because they definitely did not have to. So everything will be linked below. There are some things that I had for a while, like the home defense stuff that's coming up here. I just wanted to make sure I cleaned the porch, sprayed the porch so we have minimal bugs. So I might spray maybe like every couple weeks or so, just so that I'm not having too many bugs. But I plan on also putting some citronella candles out here as well. I'm in love with your body. 1 week in, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. And don't worry, everything that I use in this video will be linked below, because I did get everything from different places. But at the end, you will see that I also did a DIY fire pit, which I will be making a separate video for. So I'll link that video specifically for that in the description box below. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now so you guys can enjoy the video. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. The push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with your body.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody talking to me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and drunk and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back. And man, I think that we hit it on something proper like a bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm like a bartender. Okay, like a bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm like a bartender. Okay, got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Give a side of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Maybe still working at the club, so I'm getting it.
Thank you all so much for watching my transformation of my balcony. Those that have been with me for a little bit know that I moved back in September, so this balcony is very new to me and I enjoy having this extra space to decorate. Let me know what you guys think I should add. I do want to get a bigger table here, and I am going to add more seating, but this is all I have for now. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.